Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Ingco circular saw. Before starting any project, safety is paramount. Always don your safety glasses and hearing protection. Take a moment to ensure your workpiece is firmly secured, preventing any unexpected shifts. Also, check that your saw blade is sharp and properly installed for a clean, safe cut. Understanding your saw's basic controls, like the power switch and safety lock, is crucial for confident operation. Now, let's prepare your Ingco circular saw for the perfect cut. First, adjust the blade depth so it extends just about 1/8 of an inch below your material. This minimizes kickback and ensures a clean cut. If you need an angled cut, set the bevel to your desired degree, often up to 45 degrees. Always double-check that all adjustment levers are securely tightened before you begin. Using a guide will help maintain a straight line. With your saw adjusted, it's time to make the cut. Hold the saw firmly with both hands, ensuring a stable grip. Align the blade precisely with your marked cutting line. Before touching the material, let the blade reach its full operating speed. Then, guide the saw smoothly and consistently through the workpiece, letting the blade do the work. Avoid forcing the saw. A steady pace ensures a cleaner, safer cut every time. After completing your cuts, proper care extends your saw's life. Always unplug the saw right away and let the blade cool down completely. Take a moment to clean any sawdust or debris from the motor vents and blade guard, ensuring optimal performance. Store your Ingco circular saw in a dry, secure location. For future projects, remember that a fine-tooth blade often provides a much smoother finish on more delicate materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.